Hello, welcome to this video. So the title of this video is Ritsumeikan English Report Format. Ritsumeikan because this is mostly for my own students at Ritsumeikan University, and this is to teach them or teach you how to write a proper, perfect, great English report. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, again, if you're not from Ritsumeikan University, please feel free to watch this video. Basically, I'm teaching how to write a regular English report. Okay, so for classes at Ritsumeikan University, many teachers want you to write your student number before your name and put a comma here. Actually, for my class, you don't have to do so. You can just delete that. Just start with your name. So first, write your first name first. So let's say your first name is Ken. Please write Ken, again, capital letter, big K. Your family name second, Tanaka, big T, and that's it. Don't write Tanaka Ken. Please write it in the English order, Ken Tanaka. So now I'll pretend to be Ken Tanaka and I'll write this report and tell you what to do step by step. Now, if this is your first report for a class, you would write first report. Actually, in my classes, students have to write 5 reports. So if this is your second or third report, third, fourth, please write that number. Okay, so first report. Some teachers here at Ritsumeikan want you to write paragraph. If they want you to write paragraph, please write paragraph. For my class, please write report. Now, after, you have to write if this is your first draft or second draft. Oh, sorry for the bell if you're hearing that. So if this is your first time writing this report and first time giving your report to your teacher, please write first draft. Some teachers want you to correct your report and give it again and again and again. So please write second or third if that's the case. Then write a comma right here. Little comma, and then write the course number. This is SW199, and write the date. Now this has to be on the right hand side, so please put it on the right hand side. Okay, so that's the start. Some other things you should be doing here is making more space. So please click on layout. If you want to save some trees, click here on margins. And please go for the third option. I think in Japanese you say semi. Click on that. Yes, make it wider and save some trees. Now, afterwards you will be writing your your title for your report. I go back to home right here. Center that, put that right here. You can put it in bold, but actually what's more popular or better, I would say, is just make it bigger, maybe 16 point. So you'll notice that everything in this report is in Times New Roman 12. I think this is the best font because that's the font teachers like the most if you want to get more points. You can also choose, probably Arial is okay. Actually, Century is okay with me, but these are not okay with some teachers. So be safe, just choose Times New Roman, that's the best. Okay, so the rest of your text should be in 12 point. Okay, so this is a letter actually, so if you're writing a letter, make sure you write the name of your teacher or to whomever you're writing. Also make sure you have a farewell message at the end. Sincerely, yours truly, very polite options, kind regards. One of my favorite, and sign, write your name. And at the very end, yes, make sure you have your word count. So down here in Microsoft Word, you can see how many words you have. So I have 166 words. I would write that there. And again, this should be on the right-hand side. Put that on the right-hand side right here. Okay, as for spacing in your text, please select your title, go down. Here, select your whole text, and there's a magic button here. You can click and choose double spacing. That's a lot. Most teachers want you to do double spacing. But yeah, as you see here, I'm using 2 pages. So for my class, please use 1.5. That's more than enough. But some teachers want you to use double. Another thing you have to do is indent your paragraph. So as you see here, a paragraph should start with a space. The best way to do it is push the tab key on your keyboard. On your keyboard, on the top left, tab. Push that, perfect space. Some students space it, but it's never perfect. If you want it to be perfect, push the tab key. That's the best way to do it. Again, for spacing in your text, make sure you always have a little space after a period, space that. After a comma, make sure you have a space. Other punctuation marks, if you write a Japanese movie title or name or character name, it'd be better if you put it in between quotation marks. That would be better. And one last thing, your main paragraph, look here, some lines finish a little earlier, some lines are a little longer. You want to justify your paragraph. So please click on here, this in the middle, after not center, but on the right, justify. Click there, wow. And that's perfect. So this is what I want to see for all your reports. If you write a report like this, you will get 100%, maybe. Try your best, and thank you for listening to this video. Cheers.